Hi guys, I'm going to make a card today using our brand new box of the month for March, and this is the Home Sweet Home kit, and I'm going to be focusing more on the Plant Life Sentiment set that comes in the kit. I'm using some of the leftover images from the first card I created for the Hop, which is from the Hope's Garden stamp set. So this is my stamp set and it's all used. Yours will come pretty, of course. But here are my leftover little images, and I'm going to add that as a little accent on my card. So there are some really fun sentiments in here. Thanks for helping me grow. Cactus makes perfect. Home is where my plants are. Plants are my therapy. You grow, girl, and keep on growing. You'll see an extra stamp on top because the original stamp had a little oopsie spelling on it. So I've put the new correct stamp right on top for you. So I plan on using the Thanks for Helping Me Grow stamp set. I think this is perfect for someone special that I want to make a card for. And I am going to stamp that right on some white scrap paper that I have. And then I'm going to cut it out with the Lawn Fawn stitched squares. And hopefully the size here is going to be perfect to cut that sentiment out. I'm going to mat it on this black square, and then we're going to mat it on this green square here. And this paper is from our Dots for Spring paper pad. Since this is a brand new stamp and I haven't used it yet, I like to wipe it down with my stamp chamois just to get any of the manufacturer's residue off of there. Oh, and if you see me, I have my fuzzy robe on. I'm working in the basement, so it's a little cold. So I have it over my sweatshirt. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that's dry before I add my ink. And I'm going to use the VersaFine Clear Nocturne ink. I love this ink for stamping sentiments. I'm going to stamp that twice so I get a nice impression. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to cut that out. So I cut some more layers out. I thought maybe this black doesn't look as good as I thought it would. I think doing the pop of pink makes the card look a little happier. So I'm going to try that. And I'm going to do this dark green. So I'm going to add my first layer to my card base here. This is a 5 by 5 sized card. I'm going to do the lighter green, and this is from our Dots for Spring collection. I'll have all the products that I am using here listed down below in the description box. So I'm going to mat this. Now I could choose to pop up this part of the card, but I'm going to have these little images here. So if I do pop up this, then I would have to pop up all my images. So let's see how it looks flat down. This one I don't think it's going to fit on here how I want it to fit, so I think I'm going to leave that one off and add some ladybugs. So we can have maybe some crawling on the top here, or I have a little bee. Okay, so I think I'm just going to do it flat. Maybe I'll pop up the images anyways, but keep this flat. I don't know, I really like how the images look when they're popped up. And this would be really nice popped up. So let's just pop up the center and then go from there. Okay, let's get this centered. And then my little images, I'm going to have to pop up the ends of them, and this one I can glue straight down onto that panel. So I'll need a little pop dot up on this flower. And a little glue here. Okay, that looks cute. We'll have this over here like that. I'm gonna cut my little pop dot in half. Does anyone have a garden? It's still cold over here, but we are planning on doing our garden. We did a garden last year and we grew some squash, some spinach. Our carrots did not grow. They were like little roots. They did not grow. So I don't think I'm going to try those again. I think I want to try some cauliflower and some sweet potatoes. And then I want to do the seed packet. So I'm going to tuck that behind. Okay, we'll have a little ladybug crawling down here. Let's see. I think I just can add that straight to the card without a pop dot. Kind of looks like he's crawling in the background then. There we go. And I got a couple more ladybugs and a little bee. So you can have this bee look like he's coming from behind this plant. Maybe up here. His little trail got cut off. So we kind of get to mask that a little bit. I think it looks cute there. And maybe one ladybug up here crawling on the sentiment. I think I will, should I pop that one up? I think I'm gonna pop that one up. Okay, do you think it needs this little ladybug somewhere? Could stick it there. Let's zoom in and take a better look here. Let's see, let me look through the lens. With or without? I think 3 because things look better in 3s, right? So we'll do 3 pops of red. Okay, so there is the card. We can add some sequins or something else to it. I don't think it needs any sequins. I can add some color to the sentiment. Since I didn't stamp it with a Copic friendly ink, I think I can just use some colored pencils and kind of lightly just add some color. So I'm just gonna lightly add just a little bit of color. I'm not going to do any shading, I'm just going to add just a little color. And then let me get a lighter green. And I'm just gonna add some green to these little leaves here. And then let's add some color to the pot. Okay, so just a little touch of color there. Looks really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you real soon in the next one. Bye guys.